go. Let's look.
Santa got some presents for you, Maya. Santa got some presents. Look, they're over there.
Present.
You want to go get him? Go have a look.
Present.
That's your tree. Look at all the presents that Santa brought for you.
Yum.
Wow. Santa didn't bring you a tree.
Want to sit down and have a look, Maya?
Santa
Come
brought
on,
you a
let's go
duck.
here. Sit down. Sit down, sit down.
I think sit down.
Let me check to make sure it's in focus. Oh, okay. Why don't you sit over here? Oh, Santa gave you a candy cane. Oh, that's lucky. Yay. Now, sit over here and let's see. This one is... Okay, why don't you open this one first? Okay. This is for Maya. Are you going to open it? Yeah?
But
Open it. Open it. Look, here. Open it up. Open, open, open. Oh!
dinner.
Dinner. Open it. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Open it. Open it. Oh! And open this part too. And open this part too. Wow! Now you're getting the hang of it. Wow!
Wow.
What is this? What did Santa get you? Food! Some fruits and some corn and some carrots and a little chopping board. That's very nice.
Open.
Oh, you want to open it? Oh, Mummy can't open it because she's got scissors. She needs scissors. That's one way to do it. Wow. Some grapes. A croissant. Some tasty dessert. And a carrot. And a carrot. And some bread. Lots and lots of different types of food in there. Yum. Oh. You put it back. Want to open another present? Want to open another one? Let's put this away. Now, which is the next one? Okay. Now, do you want to open this one? Okay, how about you pull one side, Mummy pull the other side. Pull. Hold this. And you pull. Okay, no.
Just a little. She's a ripper. Let her do. Just
Open it. What's inside?
rip it open. Rip, rip, rip.
What's inside?
Rip, rip, rip.
Oh, open it. Open it.
Please.
Want Mummy to help you open it? Oh, you want Uncle Pete's help?
What is it?
A heart.
Hey?
It's a one.
Oh, yeah. It's yours.
Mummy, look. What's inside? What was that? What's that? Oh, what is that? Santa got you a dolly. Oh, pretty dolly. Wow, it's a princess. It's a princess.
Yeah, I've got these if you need it.
Wow. Dolly. Show Poppy the dolly that you got. Dolly. The dolly. Yeah.
Dolly.
Okay, Maya. This one's from Obad. This one's from Obad. And Obad asked Santa to get you this present. Maya, come on, sit down. There's another one. It's got some pretty shoes. I think it's a ballerina. Pretty.
Very pretty.
What's this? What's this one? You gonna open this one too? Yes? Okay. Kiss it, darling. And put it down, so I'll be back soon. Okay, wait here. My Dolly's watching you with the present. Here we go. Open. Open. What's that? It looks like a book, doesn't it? Here you go. Now open the side. Oh! It's a book!
There's a single in there too.
Nursery rhymes book. She's just... What's that? It's a CD. We get to listen to all the songs. Yes. And look, there's a cat. And there's Humpty Dumpty. And a teapot. Oh. Oh. Cough, cough, cough. Lots of different pictures. My, look, Itsy Wincy Spider. See Itsy Wincy Spider? Yeah. Itsy Wincy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. And Itsy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. Yay! We're gonna read this later together with some tea. Sounds good.
Wow.
Okay.
You want to open your next present, Maya? Yeah?
Look, this one. Present! Oh. For this? This. Oh, yeah, you did it. Do you have the scissors handy? Thank you. Mommy's going to cut it, okay?
Snip, snip. Chop it, chop it.
Chop it, chop it.
Oh,
Sorry.
I want to.
Okay.
Open it.
Wow! Oh, that's very good.
Open.
Open.
Oh! Yes! Cut!
What's that?
It's open.
Open it.
Wow.
Wow! Look at that. Are you gonna press the button?
Yes.
It's a giraffe. Oh wow! it later. That's good. Mummy will never get bored. Look, there's one more. Oh, there's another one.
Wow.
You can open it? Yeah. Look at her face. Pull this up. Pull. Hey.
Yay. Here. Oh, wow. Oh.
What's inside? What's inside? Keep opening it. What's that?
That.
Do you want Mummy to open it for you? Yes?
Yes.
Sunnies! Oh my goodness! Oh, they're so cute. Are you going to wear them?
Yes.
Oh, other way. Here you go. Oh. Sunnies, gorgeous sunnies. They're little strawberry, oh, they're little apple ones, look. Maya, you got your own sunnies now.
Oh, wow.
You want to do it by yourself?
Yeah.
You want to put the sunnies away?
No.
Or are you going to wear them?
Big. Carrot. Yes.
Are you going to say thank you, Santa? There's another one. Mummy has to cut it with scissors though. Open it.
Oh, yes.
What's this? Pull. Pull. You take this bit off. Stickers! What did you have? Do you like stickers, Maya? Yeah?
Oh,
Oh, this is good. This is good for Mummy. My reward is make a lemonade stand.
almost mirror.
Oh, you want to see it in the mirror? You want to have a look in the mirror? Okay, come on, Maya.